just got out of the shower. It's my second shower for today. I basically just finished the workout. Well, I went out in the morning. Well, I showered, went out in the morning, came back, did a workout, and obviously had to take another shower. It has been quite the day in our household today, and it's only now like 1 p.m. Basically, our little one started daycare today, so we had that, going on, and we dropped him off in the morning, and he lasted all of 2 hours, which was great. We're super proud. I'm super proud of him. And then we had to pick him up because he was just not happy, and which again is fine, just because we anticipated this. I mean, it's a new experience for him, and we didn't want him to sort of be traumatized by the whole thing. So we're doing it in increments. We're gonna go back tomorrow and the day after, and hopefully by the time I go back to work, he's fully integrated and happy to be there all day. But yeah, that's what's happening. I'm quickly just doing my skincare before I go get dressed, do some laundry, and then regular house stuff. I might go to HomeGoods later, just because I do have some stuff that I want to return, and then while I'm there, I also want to look to see if I can to look at the rugs that they have in store. I do want to get a new rug for our living room, but I kind of just want to look around, honestly, right now. We want to get one that's newer, just different. We've had our current one for 4 years since we moved to the States. It was the first one we got, and I feel like it's time for something new, like a refresh. So I'm gonna do that while there. But of course, going to HomeGoods, is always a treat for me. You never know what you'll find. So might do that later, and then I might also show you guys, do a bit of a quick haul of some stuff that I've gotten over the past couple of weeks. Nothing fancy or anything, just I thought it would be fun to show you guys that. But yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm home with the husband and the baby. Baby's sleeping. Obviously, he had a morning, so he's sleeping, and I hope he stays asleep for a little while just so I can get some things done, because my husband is working. He's working from, in between home and site, so he's not really that flexible, but we'll see. So yeah, I use this facial oil that I got from Trader Joe's. It's actually marula oil, and it's actually marula oil from Namibia. And I just love that, that I was able to get marula oil from home here in New York. What I understand is that Trader Joe's, they do all of their own packaging and repackaging, so their products will always say Trader Joe's, but on the packaging they do say where it's sourced from, and this is from Namibia, and obviously it's from northern Namibia, where I'm from, so it's really nice, and it's amazing for your skin. Let's do a quick little unboxing of a few things I just recently picked up. The first is this Jo Malone fragrance. It's tuberose and lily, and I've actually been wearing this for the past 4 years, and I recently ran out, and I went in store and picked it up and also got my initials engraved on it. Next is this random candle that I picked up in Nordstrom. It smells divine. But more importantly, look at this vessel. How cute is this? The third thing I picked up were these Valentino earrings. It was a collab with Swarovski, if I'm not mistaken. And they're very simple, just like little drop earrings, and they're perfect for every day. And I think they're just so me and just so stunning. Finally, I also went ahead and picked up this book. It's kind of like a coffee table book. It's got a couple of recipes that I'm excited to try out, and it's just nice to look at, really. So I am back. I know I look a little crusty. It's 1:30 in the morning. I just finished taking down my braids. I have a hair appointment in the morning, so I had to get it done tonight. But I also did want to come through and show you guys a quick little HomeGoods haul, just because I did tell you last I spoke to you guys was that I was going to be going to HomeGoods. I wasn't able to vlog that just because a lot was happening at the time, but I did want to come back and share with you guys. I picked up like 1, 2, 4 things because, again, like I said, it was quite a tricky time, so I wasn't able to like fully, indulge. I love going to HomeGoods. It's one of my happy places. I kind of just like walking around the aisles and seeing what's new and stuff like that. So let me not make this too long. I'm going to show you guys what I got, and then I'm going to go to bed because I have to be up early. Tomorrow is another busy day. I plan on closing off the vlog tomorrow as well, and I kind of just wanted to get this out of the way so that I can focus on tomorrow's content and not have anything lagging from today. So the first thing that I did pick up is this little container. It's actually meant to be a toothbrush holder for your bathroom, but I'm gonna be using it to put to hold some of my makeup brushes. I've been doing a lot of my makeup, like my quick everyday makeup, in the bathroom lately, and I've kind of just been leaving my brushes everywhere because the way my bathroom is set up, I don't have a big enough space to have like my regular brush holder, so I usually like pick out the individual brushes, but I think this would be a perfect fit. And then the second thing that I did get was this like spoon rest for the kitchen. I am obsessed with this like blue and white vintage pattern that you generally find on like china and like teacups and stuff like that. Like, I'm obsessed with it, but I'm always very particular about like the print. Like, don't just give me blue and white. Like, I need something. You have to give me something. And this has like this really nice floral pattern, and it was quite affordable. And I don't know, it's giving for me, at least. Like, I wouldn't mind having like a whole tea set with this pattern on it, but where am I gonna store it? Like, in this New York City apartment, where? And then I also got this diffuser. I really mostly got it because of this vessel that it comes with. I mean, the smell was fine. It's like nothing ridiculous, like nothing amazing. It's just like a regular, nice to have around the house smell. But this little vessel here was so cute. It's like a ceramic, or maybe it's a glass bottle, but it's got this like paint over it that is just so cute, and I think it's just so pretty to look at. So I can't wait to put that up. And then the final thing that I got is this clay bowl that is made in Vietnam. So I don't know, like, if you've seen in HomeGoods, they tend to have these collections of items from around the world, and I just love being able to bring these items into my home without necessarily always, traveling the world, because it's not always possible. So this is made in Vietnam. It's handmade in Vietnam, and it's a clay bowl. It looks like this, and it's got this really nice pattern on it. I honestly don't know what I'm going to be putting in this yet, but I just knew I didn't want to leave the shop without it, so it came home with me. Okay guys, so the haul is over. I'm gonna get to bed right now. I have to wake up in a couple of hours, so I'm exhausted, but I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so I am finally back home from the hair salon. I just did like a dry reshape, so what that means is she blows out my hair and then she trims it in its blown out state, so that way I don't have to like do the extra heat for like a silk press in order for her to, you know, trim my ends. My plan is to get braided down maybe tomorrow or on Sunday, so I can wear a wig. That's like gonna be my protective style for the next couple of weeks. So yeah, that was fun. The most interesting thing happened to me while I was in the salon. So as I got up from the seat to go over to the dryer, because I did a deep condition, this my hairstylist Shannon, she tells me, oh my gosh, like there's a bit of commotion. I'm like, what's going on? And she's like, oh, her next client, who she was working on sort of like in parallel with me, basically said she had seen one of the videos or posts that I had made about Shannon, and that's how she found Shannon. And I was like, that is so cool. I love that. Like, I love that I got to do that, and I got to meet someone who came to her because of me, because honestly she's like the best hairstylist. So yeah, I am back home. I am getting ready to really just close out this vlog because there's nothing else to do. I was supposed to have lunch with my husband and some friends, but we just could not get our calendars to sync up efficiently, so we kind of just decided to reschedule. So I decided to get myself some nachos instead, which I am waiting on now. And then I just tidied up the house, took down our Christmas decorations, thank God, and I'm just waiting for my Dyson to finish charging so that I can quickly do like a one-over of the room and just vacuum everything before everyone gets back home. Baby's in daycare. He's doing so well. We're so proud of him. Hopefully today he'll make it the full day. Well, not the full day, till like 3 p.m. or so, and then we'll pick him up. So yeah, I think that's about it from me, you guys. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, I don't know, look, I'm gonna ask, please do subscribe. Let me know your thoughts down below. Like, how are you feeling about the new vlogs? I think I'm still getting or finding my feet regarding editing, but I feel like I'm getting there. Like, I've definitely been feeling inspired and motivated. So really happy about that. So yeah, I am gonna clock out, and I will also start my next vlog right after this, because I also don't want this to be too long, so I'll start the next one too, and then I will catch up with you guys in the next vlog. Take care, and I'll see you guys soon.